Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about online PDF editor. And in this video, I will show you how to convert your PDF to shareable URL link without any stress or for free and secure. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. There are so many ways by which you can convert your PDF to URL link, shareable link. One of the easy way is that you can easily log into your Google account and make sure you click on the app right there. Then go ahead and click on Google Drive. Then here, make sure you upload your PDF into your Google Drive. And then for you to get the shareable link to the PDF, go ahead and click on these three dots right here. And then go ahead and make sure you look for share. Then go ahead and click on copy link. That's the first method. To convert your PDF to URL shareable link is that you can go ahead and visit this particular website right here. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. Mining.host/use case and /PDF/link, and it's going to take you to this particular URL website right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on upload my PDF. So I will click on upload my PDF, then go ahead and click on upload file. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the PDF you want to post in the site. So I'm going to go ahead and select this PDF right here, hit on open. Now the PDF has successfully uploaded right here. Verify your email address, and the next thing you want to do is to enter your email address right here. You can use Google, you can use Microsoft, or you can use Yahoo Mail. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my Yahoo Mail right here. And I'll go ahead and hit on continue. Success. So new PDF file starts at the file link. So next thing you want to do right there is that we have sent you a verification mail. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and visit your mail and check the link into the mail. Then from there, verify your account and get your shareable PDF link. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about PDF editing like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.